Hello everyone, hi, my name is Rita Hayworth and today I will show you how to do this fantastic vintage 1950s hairstyle on the straight hair with using this curling iron. It's not really fast, need to be honest, but it's a really nice option when you need to do today and you didn't prepare from a night before, you didn't have time, or you are in a trip but you want to have this lovely 1950s hairstyle. So stay with me and I will show you all the steps.
So let's curl our hair. I'm using dark beagle clips to separate hair on the parts for comfort, and actually I'm using the same pattern which I'm using when I'm making my hair with sponge rollers, so it's the same but with the iron. To fix curls I'm using bobby pins, so we need to fix them to make them cool down and still hold the shape. It's pretty long process and it's not always going smooth, but that's why I didn't cut any scenes from a curling process. Then you can see if the curl slides or something, how to figure out with that. And be careful because I burned 2 fingers. So yeah, it's a little bit tricky. Some curling irons have a special glow, but I somewhere missed mine, so it's a little bit difficult. But yeah, this curling carrot is really best for me because you can put it like very close to the roots, and this is important for the volume. With the other types of curling irons or whatever devices, it's very difficult to be close to roots and to make the volume. So this one, for me at the moment at least, I'm always trying some new stuff. At the moment it's best for such kind of hairstyles. So I'm separating back at 3 rows, and also each row I'm separating in 3 layers as well. So the same as a sponge pattern. I actually will add in description of the video a sponge pattern, just in case. Also, I will have a side parting, that's why my direction of the curls are going to one side. But if you have in mind other hairstyle with a middle parting, for example, then their direction of how you're curling your hair will be another one. Yes, I think it's understandable, but anyway. We are done. Now we just need to wait when they will cool down, and that's it. And starting to remove the bobby pins and actually starting to make our hairstyle. First of all, I'm a little bit kind of brushing the hair with my fingers. Then I putting down my head. I'm always doing this if you notice it in my hairstyle tutorials. It's more comfy, then you can brush all the hair under as well. And plus I'm adding a little bit of hairspray to kind of extra volume. I saw this trick from Rita Hayworth. And then we are making a nice side parting. And starting to create our hairstyle. So first I'm using the regular brush just to brush them down. To brush them down, I'm brushing them, and you already see how they lay in one piece hairstyle, one wave. So it's already visible that hairstyle is going to be nice, because you never know with these curling irons. And after I'm using their teasing brush, I always finishing with it hairstyle. It's make hair smooth without volume and shaped. So I'm doing this. Also for extra volume on up and front, I'm using duckbill clip to fix it. Last step is to cover everything with hairspray, but it's an important step as well, because you helping with your hand to make shape more smooth and actually hiding all the ends under. So it's kind of you creating too, you're not just covering, you continue to make your hairstyle to make a shape you like, hide all the ends and everything. I'm doing this few times to check is this enough of hairspray. You need just to touch your hair and feel that all the hair actually covered with the hairspray. There shouldn't be any soft parts. everything should be covered. And that's it. Glamour diva, old Hollywood style, 1950s actress hairstyle is here. I hope you will like it and try it on yourself. Don't forget to follow me and like this video. Bye bye!